who is the most underrepresented group on the planet? Nature, the ecosystem, the animals, the plants, the ocean, the mountains. Underrepresented. Humans try to represent each other in government and in judicial procedures and in the medical system. We're starting to do better in regard to the ecosystem and all the species of the world. At this point in history, humanity is willing to scarf up all the fish out of the ocean, eat them all up, burn down all the forests, pollute all the oceans and the air, and simultaneously try to be really good human beings to each other. Is there a little disconnect in that? Is there a lack of groundedness of our process of love? Is there a lack of groundedness of our process of spirituality? Is there a lack of practical groundedness of our new type of love for each other and the ecosystem, of care and stewardship of the ecosystem and of each other? We would suggest yes. And if we don't model it, if we don't live it, if we don't walk the talk in every day, in every way, then we're going to miss something important. There's going to be a blind spot. There's going to be some unseen, unrecognized issue or challenge or misstep or misunderstanding or projection or judgment or hurt or woundedness on somebody's part. We don't want to miss any of that. And so we ask, and we're going to keep asking in future, for me personally, hold my feet to the fire. Hold me accountable. Even if it hurts, I'll appreciate it. I'm asking. Hold the WSS process accountable for changing, for evolving, for learning, for growing, for serving humanity and the natural world and spirit. Because if you do, you'll make us better. If you do, you'll be serving us by doing so. And if you do, you'll empower us to serve the world and humanity. You may have heard lately that the bacteria in our gut, in our intestinal tract, is literally intelligent, and it literally informs our cognitive process, our emotional processes. It's not that we have bacteria in our guts. They are part of us. We are a system of systems of all of these certainly cells, and also viruses and bacteria and all kinds of chemical ingredients or chemical factories. And we have lived in the illusion of separateness from nature and our environment. We've been trying to generate an artificial environment that would keep us safe, keep us alive longer, keep us feeding on whatever we want to feed on and enjoying life and having fun at the expense of the entire world. So we have prioritized egoically our well-being over that of every other species on the planet, even the ones that we say we love. And that's not something to be ashamed of or go into guilt or self-criticism about. It's just something to understand, because if we just understand it, then we can choose differently. In every moment, we can just choose to do something else, not because we hate ourselves, not because we have been bad, not because we were wrong, not because we've punished ourselves or hated ourselves or abused ourselves into being good people or a good species, because we love. And we recognize our oneness with everything so much that we can love the planet equal or better than ourselves.